Oh my gosh, y'all, it is so hot. So my lighting is not going to be good because I am burning up. Let me drink some water. Oh, no, 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 no. Thank it. Oh, no, no. Oh, no. Okay. Anyway, that's not good. Anyway, I'm keeping all that too. So sad. It's so hot. So, yeah, I got an email yes, was it last week? Or a text message talking about go buy your pre-order for the Cowboy Carter album. And I was like, didn't I go ahead and oh, I forgot to drink water. Hmm. Didn't I already do this? And then I turned around, I was like, you know what? I forgot all about my Cowboy Carter album part two. So I was like, where is it? And I was flipping out because usually I get it pretty early versus other folks because most of her stuff ships out of Cerritos. And Cerritos is like nearby. Come to find out, I finally got mine because it's shipped out of Michigan. So I waited to unbox it with you. I got it yesterday or 2 days ago. I think it's 2 days ago. I waited for you guys. Howard Carter, Act Two. Okay. So clearly, I'm trying to find a. Okay, so let's just go ahead and unbox it with you. Whew. Lord have mercy, it's so hot. And my husband took both of the fans. He's in the other room on the. Okay, cowboy. Now this is better look. Yay! Oh, it's different. Okay, so it really does look different. Okay, so let's see what we got here from the box. Okay, there's a lot of stuff up in here. Is there something else in here? Yes, there is. Okay, so there's a lot here. So let's go with number first things first. First things first. I mean, I have songs just like randomly in my head. Um, we have this. Oh, okay. Um, am I missing a fold? Oh, here we go. So here's this. And flipping it over, it looks like it is, what is this supposed to look like the moon? Cowboy Carter Act Two. I think it's kind of hard to see. Okay, so there's that. That's the first thing. So it seems like there's a poster here. What's the back of this? The back of this looks like just a, oh, it has all the songs because the other one doesn't have all the songs. I'm trying to figure out what's the theory besides us getting to us fans to buy two albums. But what really is the theory, the justification here for doing this? Okay, I am. I am having some struggles over here. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Cowboy Carter. Oh, so this is kind of cute. So this one has denim on denim, right? So like if you see the teeth come back out, denim on denim. And then on the other side, it is not sure what look we're going for here, but this is what this is. And then let's see what's inside. This is side C. And then there's the side D. What's on C? Smoke hour, just for fun. Side D is river dance, two hands to heaven, tyrant, sweet honey, bucking. I don't like the fact that Desert Eagle is on side C. Um, but anyway, that's not neither here nor there. Here's side A, which is Cowboy Carter. Side B, which is a shoe or shoe. And then we have this side. Oh, okay. So this is what could look like. And your memories. Here we go. That's cool. Um, and I guess I don't know if this fits on the other side, but I guess it's supposed to be this. Um, that's pretty cool. I love the concept. It's very different for sure. Um, very detailed for sure. Put this back in here. Um, and then I'm going to put this back in here. Oh, and then the final, oh, here's the booklet. So the booklet starts this way. Interesting to look at the nails, right? And it follows the same thing as the back of it, looks this way. Okay, so, oh, this is very cute. Okay, so I'm going to read. This is Cowboy Carter Act 2. I'm going to read it for you. Thank you to my incredible fans. God, I give you all the thanks and glory. I celebrate the banjo brought from Africa and the hands and voices that birthed the first popular music in America. Thank you to every writer, to every producer, and to every special guest. Thank you to my loving parents. Thank you to my husband and my three earth angels. I couldn't have done this without your support, encouragement, and patience. I can only imagine how tired you were of hearing me tweak, tweak, tweak for all these years. Ha ha ha. To all my family from Gadsden, Alabama to New Iberia, Louisiana to Texas, and all the way down to New York City. To my beloved Uncle Bunch, Roland Martin Beyonce. You loved country music. So many aspects of your life served as a big inspiration for this album. I see your I see your halo. I hope you are jamming up there in the afterlife. Thank you to my Sony family and my Parkwood family. Act two is no longer mine. It now belongs to whomever it inspires, whomever it heals, whomever it sparks curiosity in, whomever it annoys. Ha! To all the legends that came before me and opened the door for me, my prayer is that this album does the same for the next generations to come and continues to open minds, break down boundaries and doors that have remained closed for far too long. Oh, I love it. Okay, so these are the lyrics are on each of the on each page. There's lyrics. I do like Blackbird's cover. I think it looks gorgeous. Okay, 16 pages. Wow. Oh gosh, y'all. This is a lot. Very, very pretty. Um, My Rose, which is actually titled um after her son, for sure. Love the nails, right? Like the nails are just absolutely different with each page. Check this out. This one is Bodyguard, one of my favorite songs on the album for sure. It reminds me of Prince. And then this is Dolly P, in which she tries to make herself look like Dolly Parton with the big hair. And then this is Jolene, 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 Jolene. Okay. This is Daughter. I was humming Daughter the other day, which I thought was kind of strange because I'm not a big fan of Daughter. Spaghetti. I love spaghetti. And I'm actually going to be doing a presentation. I'm going to be using spaghetti. And then this is, oh, let's go here first, Alligator Tears. And then this is Smoke Hour again, just for fun. I love just for fun. And then, oh, so just for fun, it's its own little swap. Let me see, just for fun, yeah. Oh, oh, this is too cute. Oh, this is too cute. Oh my God, this is so cute. Okay, Miley Cyrus. Too cute. America's Most Wanted. Too freaking cute. I love that. Okay. Levi's jeans, denim on denim in a white tee. I love the denim on denim on denim in a white tee. And then flamingo. That's gorgeous. Now this is like one of my favorite looks for sure. Linda Martin show. Let's see what she did for Yaya. Oh, Louisiana. Oh, Yaya is fantastic. Hold on, let me turn it around. I gotta see for myself. Oh wow, that's amazing. This reminds me of the Carter. No, of the uh of one of the in person, she wore a cowboy hat for some of parts of her concert. But look, this is looks like it's a bike, a motorcycle that looks like a horse. So good. So good. Desert Eagle. That seems a little different. I love me some Riverdance. Riverdance is like my song for sure. And then Two Hands to Heaven. Okay, let me turn around. Now that's really pretty. Oh, this is different. Tyrant. And then Honey Bucking. Okay, what is this? Oh, that's a cow. A bull. And then, oh, that's different. Louis Vuitton. Bikini. Amen. Keeps falling into my lips. And then the rest of it is just credits for each of them. And that's it. That's it. That's it. I will let my daughter see the Miley Cyrus one because I'm sure that she wants to see that. And that's the unboxing of the album. Oh, okay, talk later.